gonna see if we can start the international. So here's my truck. It's been sitting here and I'm gonna pull it in and start running through it. Gonna get it ready to oh, I love this truck. Woo! I love it. Let's see. Woo! All right, let's see. Let's see. Wiesz co, buduję takiego... Let's see. Again. Yeah, I told you the hood.
I thought I was about to lose my job.
I know, you almost did. Yeah, it's pretty heavy and it drops. All right, do you want to just test it out?
Yeah.
Let's see. It's been sitting for 3 months, over 3 months, 4 months almost.
Did the starter kill it out, or?
What's that?
Did you kill it, or?
I killed it.
Oh.
Second try. Oh. What do you think?
I bet you all the Prius lovers wouldn't be happy.
Let's warm it up and pull it in.
All right.
Oh, I love this smell of soot. We have one more 14-liter Detroit diesel smoking next to us, so it's a party now, Friday night party. I love this truck. We got it started after 4 months sitting outside. We're gonna. It's still cold right now. Today is especially cold. It's March 20th. The virus is taking over the US, and I'm not being sarcastic here. It's pretty crazy. Everybody went home, and Jose and I are gonna rearrange some of the stuff at the shop, some of the layout. We have some trucks that we have to move around. We completed some projects. The shop is all cleaned up, nice, ready to put in some new trucks in, and it's been a crazy last week. A lot of the today, Illinois announced that they're recommending shelter in place, meaning stay at home, don't move, don't go out. So, as an essential business in trucking and diesel repair, we get to do what we love and keep coming to work. So we're very grateful for being able to do what we love and actually do serve our community. It's actually super crazy how quickly the stores ran out of things. So yeah, so I just went to a store next door, and I was trying to buy some stuff for drivers that are running over the weekend and prep some meals for them, and they wouldn't let me buy things. So that was a bummer. I actually had everything prepped, and I forgot that they're not letting you buy anything in bulk. So 4 is the limit. You cannot buy anything more than 4 items. So let's pull this bad boy in. Let's play with it. And spring is coming, so I want to get it nice and ready for doing some work and taking the show. So. Seized up, huh?
Yeah, they sure are.
Yeah. We got one. One is freed up. Man, when I was pulling it back, the front is now okay, but like when I was pulling
back,
it,
right?
it was so bad. Problem there's no mirror. I don't have a mirror, so I can see anything. So I bought it because it matches our shop color. Look at that. I'm kidding. Hey, it matches our shop color. Do you see that?
Oh, the theme going on? Yeah.
You gotta push the lock in on the inside of the door. This looks cool, doesn't it?
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, so we got it.
Straight pipes on it?
we got it in. We're gonna do straight pipes. Not only that, I mean, we have enough space to stretch it a little bit. We'll see how much. It looks a little too short, but definitely the front has to go.
Drop it, right?
Down, drop the front, and yeah, we're gonna definitely have, there's plenty of space.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Okay.
We're gonna have, Chicago's getting locked down, so we're gonna have projects going on Saturdays. Yeah. Parties. Well, it might be parked here for a little bit since we're not playing the rush with it. I would say summer we're gonna
start working on it.
No, we're start working on it. Yeah, we're gonna. I want to have it out by summer. Iowa truck stop.
That's like July, right?
I think so. Yeah. So you see that tire?
Yeah, this one blew out.
No, it didn't. All right, we got it in, and then now we're just gonna run and check it out. You're gonna do you're gonna make your list, assess the truck. Plenty of time for that. We got a lot of soot in the shop. You gotta vent it out. But mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. What?
It's probably the emptiest the shop has been.
Yeah. Well, with all the projects outside waiting, so
Start moving everything in right now.
yeah, we're gonna move things in and keep you guys posted. Subscribe, share. Talk to you soon.